All right, what's up guys, back at it with another video. I'm gonna show you my new truck. I ended up selling the other two that I had here before, and it's a 65 long bed. It's the custom right there, custom with a K. It looks exactly like my other one, you know, almost like it's twin. And today I'm gonna be redoing the whole wiring with American Automotive Auto Wire. My bad. So here it is, the whole kit. And what's so special about this one? Well, it looks almost the same as this. It's got an original V8. And I've been trying to get it, you know, started, but it's just the old wiring doesn't really help much. Still need some work on the rocker panels, you know, as usual. Got a new gas tank. It's a 2-speed Power Glide. I think it's a 283, but usually most 283s have this oil neck right here to fill it up with, but I don't know, it doesn't have it. So today I'm gonna be stripping the old wiring harness, getting it ready for the new one right here. And the part number is 500-560. And my plan is probably put a let me see, I don't think the rear needs a new suspension on it. But in the front, I'm gonna lift it up, probably put some meaty tires on it, make this a work truck. It's got a big back window. Oh, and this one has the original radio and the AC system. Just doesn't have the AC compressor in it. But yeah, it's today's video. So for those who are, you know, interested in replacing their old wiring harness, this one comes with, you know, the original connectors. Everything's labeled. And the whole kit comes with, you know, battery relay, switches, and then this adapter to the firewall right there. Tail light wiring harness, wiper kit, fuses, all the good stuff. Comes with a courtesy lamp kit too, so it's money well spent. Hopefully it goes easy. All right, so update. Got out the old harness. It's pretty easy, just unplugging it. The only hard thing was just getting this off the firewall since it's so old. Had to cut it up for a bit. And then, you know, trying to fish it out through all the bends and obstacles like the AC unit over there. And through the cluster. But now everything's out. Now I gotta mount this to the firewall. Show you in the instructions. Essentially, this plate bolts up to these two holes right here. This one right there and that one right there. So it can be mounted. Yeah. All right, before I, you know, install this, I taped it all together so I can fish it out, so I won't have anything, you know, getting stuck from whatever's inside underneath the dash. So it can be easy as possible. Just a little helpful tip, because without the tape, this thing just spreads out everywhere. So So right now, I already got the 2 bolts in from right there. It's gonna sit a bit higher than where the original was. I have to pull it out all through there. So yeah, hopefully this little tip just helps out. Just like that, it went in easily. See right there, no problem. Now it's mounted. Now I gotta put in the fuses, which it gives you instructions how to. See right there. See, everything's labeled. So, pretty sure anybody can do this because I'm not an expert. It's my first time doing this. But I feel like the only way you can mess up is if you don't know how to read. So, I'll go ahead and get everything else ready. So another update. Finished wiring up the turn signals. And the front ones too. I think I'm just gonna leave the original ones. Original cables that are already in there. Cause I don't want to take out the whole grill, so I just, connected it here and there. Now I'm gonna work on separating all that, putting it into where it goes. Alright, so update's already getting dark, but I managed to run some of these wires to a sorter and into this mega fuse, I think that's what it's called. On this, through there. Right there. I mean, it's easy, you just gotta take your time so you don't mess up anything.